trip was us watching the Champions League Finals, that is PSG versus Arsenal.
What's up, my people? Bonjour. If you're new here, my beautiful name is Perry and welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a minute, but I'm finally back with a banger. I filmed this vlog during the UEFA Champions League Final between Arsenal and Paris Saint-Germain, and if you know me, you already know I was emotionally invested. I've just decided to put this vlog up there before this new season starts. So of course this day I had to show up in my Arsenal jersey, but before we got into all the football drama, we had a flight to catch, a beautiful resort to check into, and a whole getaway ahead of us. So come along with me and let's make some memories. Gunners, I know it's been a second, and if you are a fellow Gunner, let me know in the comments. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's vlog.
I'm only allowing Gunners today because today is match day. So my people, if you're watching this video, I've already gotten through Sarova White Sands, as you all have seen, and we have already checked in. And my people, let me show you a quick one. Immediately you enter, on your left there is the washroom. Here we go, and ta-da! There you go. We have the sink, everything that you need, and on this side we have the washroom. We have the bathroom right there. So basically that's how the washroom looks like. Super excited. You can see it's all giving Arsenal vibes because today Arsenal is playing with PSG at Budapest, and we are looking forward to winning that game. So guys, anyway, let me get to the point. So this is how my room looks like at Sarova White Sands. Check that out. Everything is so, you can see whatever you see is what is here. So from there, on this side we have the terrace or the balcony, and voila, here we go. Here is the balcony. I'm just feeling the vibe. I love it. It's not so hot in Mombasa. I just love the weather, and by the way it was even raining, but everything, no complaints, no nothing. So guys, the point of all this, the point of this trip was us watching the Champions League Finals, that is PSG versus Arsenal. So guys, whenever you're watching this game, you all can start saying congratulations Gunners or congratulations Arsenal, because look at that. We got everything that it takes and we are winning this game. So make sure that you watch this game. Make sure that you write congratulations in the comment section. Let me see what side when we go to watch that game, because of course we can't watch the game in the room. And by the way, at Sarova they have somewhere at the back where they have already put the screen, but we shall see where we're going to watch this game. So make sure that you stay tuned. Say congratulations Arsenal, because we got this is our year. We already got the Premier League, so looking forward for this big tournament. So guys, let me see you out there. Peace. What's up my amazing people? So yesterday was another night and I didn't even remember to vlog because of the tension. I didn't remember that I was with you guys. So the game went how it went. Let's say the best team lost and the lucky one won. Anyway guys, so right now this is a new day already and I just want to close this vlog. I'm just somewhere having some fun, or like drinking water, enjoying this beautiful view. Guys, make sure that you stay tuned for the very next vlog. Bye for now. Au revoir. See you on the next one. But don't forget to console an Arsenal fan near you anyway, and I need it too, so make sure you drop it in the comment section. Peace. I'm a